Okay, I am walking out into traffic. As you can see, we are in a standstill. There are cars going behind me for miles on end. Look, see, miles on end. Traffic is not moving anywhere, as you can see. So if you wanted to come out here and just have fun and just walk in the streets, you can just walk in the streets like so. Cars are not moving whatsoever. So yeah, I'm gonna get back in my car now, but that's pretty much it. Just wanted to give you guys a scene of suburban New York right now, near New York City. Stay in your house, kids.